Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Talia from Talia's Crochet Creations, and today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet the arcade bobble stitch. And we'll be using Gloss TK from We Crochet Official. This colorway is Plume, 123 yards at 50 grams. It's made with 70% merino wool and 30% silk. For this yarn, you'll hand wash and dry flat. So let's get started right into the tutorial. This yarn is a DK weight. It's pretty squishy and you'll love it. So for this tutorial, you'll need a foundation of 6 stitches plus 1. If you're using the foundation method as I use here, you need the exact multiple of 6. And I started with 18 stitches here. So go ahead and foundation foundation single crochet 18 stitches, chain 1 and turn your work. So you're going to go ahead and single crochet in that first stitch, and then chain 3, and then you're going to skip 3 stitches and then single crochet in the next 3 stitches. And that's the pattern repeat for this row. You're going to chain 3, skip 3, and then single crochet in the following 3 stitches. And you'll repeat that until the end of the row when you have 5 stitches remaining. When you get to the end, you'll have 5 stitches remaining. You're going to chain 3, skip 3, and then single crochet in the last 2 stitches. You chain 1 and turn your work. You're going to skip the first 2 single crochets, and you're going to place 5 double crochets in that chain 3 space. Then you have your 3 single crochet group. You're going to single crochet, double crochet 5 together, and single crochet in the last single crochet stitch in that group. You'll have 6 loops on your hook. You go ahead and yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. Then you single crochet in that last single crochet, and you have your next chain 3 space. You're going to put 5 double crochets in that chain 3 space. Now you're at your next 3 single crochet group. You're going to do the same thing. Single crochet, bobble, which is the double crochet 5 together, and then single crochet in the last single crochet of that group. Your last chain 3 space, you have your last chain 3 and single crochet. You're going to put 5 double crochet in that chain 3 space, and then you're going to put your last single crochet in the turning chain 1. Chain 3 and turn your work. You're going to skip that first single crochet, skip the next double crochet, and you're going to put your single crochet in the second, third, and fourth double crochet of the 5 double crochet group. You're going to chain 3. You need to get a little bit more yarn. So chain 3. And you're going to skip the next double crochet, the single crochet, the bobble stitch, the next single crochet, and the first double crochet of the next 5 double crochet group, and put your next 3 single crochets in the second, third, and fourth double crochets of the group. Skip the next 5 stitches again and put your 3 single crochets in the next second, third, and fourth stitch of the group. Now you're at your last turning chain. You're going to chain 2 and put a single crochet at the top of the turning chain. Chain 3 and turn your work. So now you have that single crochet and the chain 2 space. You're going to put 2 double crochets in that chain 2 space. Now you have your 3 single crochet group again. You're going to do your single crochet, double crochet 5 together, and then your single crochet in the third single crochet. Space, you're going to place your 5 double crochets in the chain 3 space. You're going to repeat single crochet, double crochet 5 together, and single crochet over the next 3 single crochet stitches. Your next chain 3 space, you're going to put your next 5 double crochet stitches. And do your single crochet, double crochet 5 together, single crochet over the next 3 single crochet stitches. do that, you have your chain 2 space right there by your turning chain and single crochet. You're going to put 3 double crochets under that turning chain. Knee chain 1 and turn your work. So every bobble row is going to have 2, one less than the other. So if you start with 2, your next one will be 3. So you're going to skip that first double crochet and single crochet right in that second double crochet stitch. You're going to chain 3 and skip your next double crochet, single crochet your bobble stitch, single crochet in the next double crochet, and single crochet in the second, third, and fourth double crochet stitch. Chain 3 again and skip those 5 stitches and single crochet in the second, third, and fourth double crochets of that 5 double crochet group. You skip 5, and when you get to the end, you have a double crochet in your turning chain. You're going to put 1 single crochet in that last double crochet stitch, and then 1 more single crochet at the top of the turning chain. There you have your pattern repeat. So you're going to, if you want to continue, you just continue the last rows 2 to 5. So for row 2, you go ahead and chain 1 for your next row if you were going to continue in this pattern. So chain 1 and turn your work. I'll walk you through it one more time. You skip the first 2 single crochets and put your 5 double crochets in that chain 3 space. Single crochet, do your bobble, and then single crochet in the last single crochet stitch. Oops. You just put your hook right through all those loops and then yarn over and pull through. Do your 5 double crochet again in that chain 3 space. Do your single crochet, double crochet 5 together in the second single crochet stitch, and then single crochet in the last single crochet stitch. And then put your 5 double crochets in that chain 3 space. You gotta do 1 more. And at your last single crochet, you're going to skip that 1 and single crochet in the turning chain 1. Go ahead and chain 3 and turn your work. Here we're going to skip that single crochet in the first double crochet and go ahead and put our single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Chain 3 and skip the next 5 and then single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Chain 3, skip your single crochet, double crochet, bobble stitch, your next single crochet stitch, and then the first double crochet stitch of that 5 double crochet group, and then when you get to the end, you're going to chain 2, skip that last double crochet, and single crochet in that last turning chain. Chain 3 and turn your work. You have that single crochet and chain 2 space. You skip the single crochet and put 2 double crochets in that chain 2 space. And then do your single crochet bobble and single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Make sure you have 6 loops on your hook before you pull through. 5 double crochet in that chain 3 space, and you just continue that to the end. Get to that last single crochet, you put your single crochet and you have that space there. You're going to chain 2. Actually no, you started with 2 double crochet. You're gonna put 3 double crochets in that last turning chain. Sorry about that, because this is row 4. And then for that row 5 pattern repeat, you chain 1, skip that first one and single crochet in the second stitch, skip your 5. After you chain 3, you skip 5 and then single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Chain 3, and single crochet in the second, third, and fourth double crochet stitches. Continue that to the end. When you get to your last double crochet, you single crochet in that last double crochet and 1 single crochet in the turning chain. And that's it. So it's really easy pattern repeat. You go ahead and cut your yarn, fasten off. Now you have a pretty little square. Thank you for watching.